Good afternoon, sir. My name is Vinayak. I am studying first class. Good afternoon, sir. I am studying first class. Evaporation, submersion, condensation, groundwater, transformation. Evaporation, water changing to vapor. Condensation, water vapor cool and clouds into precipitation. Water falls back into rain. Groundwater. Finally, we get water from our uses. Tank station. Plants leave water through leaves. Thank you, sir.